Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy that you decided to click on this video. So as you may know by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I earned my first 100 subscribers. So if you guys are interested in learning how I got my first 100 subscribers and how you could potentially get your first 100 subscribers if you are a new, small, upcoming YouTuber, then we're just going to get right into the video. So let's go. So if you see me looking down, it's because I wrote some notes down. I'm just gonna take a bite of this fried rice real quick. So the first thing I would have to say is once you have officially created your channel, it doesn't even need to be professional, but you have a Gmail account or a Google account and it's linked to your channel, you have officially created a channel. I would say first, if you know that you're going to be potentially making videos in the future, ask your family and friends first to subscribe to that channel so you'll already have subscribers to start with before you even post. And so that would be the first thing. Just reach out to your close family and your friends who you know are going to support you, even if you don't know if they're going to support you, and say, hey, I plan on posting YouTube videos soon and I would appreciate it if you guys would just go ahead and subscribe to my account or subscribe to my channel so I can, get my subscribers up, blah, 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 blah. So yeah. That is the first thing I would recommend doing. After you have posted your first video, promote your video daily on your most viewed social media platforms, whether that is Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Pinterest. Like, share your stuff. Share your things as much as you can on a daily basis. Another thing I'm gonna tell y'all is ditch commenting on YouTubers. Subscribe for subscribe, sub for sub. No. Bump that. Turn their post notification bells and genuinely support their videos. Comment what you want to comment. Comment whether they inspired you to start your YouTube, whether you really enjoyed the video, whether you're going to be making a video similar to it. Whatever you need to say, be genuine about the video. Be a genuine supporter. And then you could even ask them like, hey, I just made a new YouTube channel and I would really appreciate it if you would check mine out. Be genuine. Like, support these people and they will support you. What I told you about promoting yourself on your Instagram and Snapchat and all of that, take it a step further. So when it comes to things like Instagram, this is personally what I do. On Instagram, I look up small YouTube, hashtag small YouTuber, hashtag small YouTuber community, hashtag black YouTubers, hashtag small black YouTubers. I look up all these hashtags and I see people that I would genuinely like, oh, I may be interested in their content. I look at their profile, I check them out, then I say, no sub for sub. I got this from a girl on here actually, but she's, I guess, would be considered a small YouTuber. I'm gonna put her name over here, but she actually was like, sub for sub is lame. Support for support. Like, be a genuine supporter. Watch the videos, comment, like, share. Be a real supporter because that's what you want in return, right? That was the best thing I ever heard in my life. So from that day on, I created myself a template. Let me show y'all, or let me read y'all my template or whatever. I might even insert it over here. So after I've looked up the hashtags, I comment, people will typically hit me up in my DM and say, hey, like, let's support each other, or hey, I read your comment, or they ask me to DM them, and things like that. And I'm like, hey, I'm just genuine. I say what I want. So one of my templates, let me see if I can find one. I posted a new video today, so there's a lot in these DMs right now. My template says support for support. I'd really appreciate it if you watch my videos in its entirety, as I will do the same. You want people to watch your videos, right? Like, all the way through. So I mean, I will watch other people's all the way through if they watch mine all the way through. Or even if they don't watch mine, if I'm genuinely enjoying the content, I'm gonna watch it all the way through regardless. I say like and comment, turn on the post notification bell, and stay subscribed. I say if you're going to subscribe to my channel, I want you to be a loyal and genuine supporter because that's what I'll be doing. Thank you, and I usually provide a link to my most recent video. So that's a constant thing. So that template is really helpful because instead of typing it out every time, it saves me a lot of time because it's a lot, y'all. It saves me a lot of time, so I could just copy and paste and boom, simple as that. I also have another template for when I post new videos for people who are already subscribed to my channel. You really gotta be consistent, and you gotta be, what's the word? Persistent. That's the word I'm looking for. You have to be persistent. So you have to reach out to people. And let me tell y'all, okay? I got over it fast. I did get over it fast. But that's not my thing. Like, I don't like people feeling like they're doing me a favor, because some people have a bad habit of holding that over your head, and I don't like that. It's just, I grew up, I never had to ask anybody for anything because I was always good. So it's been hard, but it's not even I don't even care anymore. So I'd rather at least say I tried than to just be like, oh, like, I'm probably annoying, or oh, they're probably not even gonna subscribe. Bump that, you never know. So just go ahead and send your message, love. Just send it. Send your new video. Send it. You know, you never know. So that's really helpful. The templates and just constantly sending things to new people, new supporters, and old supporters. Another thing that is super helpful is to do shout outs. So some people, mostly people who I'm subscribed to and they're subscribed to me, we're both subscribed to each other, they'll ask me every once in a while, like, hey, like, can you do a shout out? And I'm like, sure. I don't ever initiate like doing shout outs, just because, I don't know, maybe I'll start doing that too and see how it goes, and we can talk about that later. But I never initiate shout outs, but when people ask me, can you do a shout out, I'll put them on my Instagram story or whatever. And so do that. Like, support people the way you want to be supported. And my last tip is to really just put yourself out there. In my case, do you guys know what Yubo is? Or use Instagram Live or Facebook Live or whatever you want. But me, I use Yubo because, I don't know, it's just easy for me and I'm familiar with it. Basically, I just go on live. Random people are watching me. Random people are looking at me. And I'm just like, hey, like, I have a YouTube channel. Like, go support. Hence, I only get maybe 3 or 4, maybe 5 people to subscribe to me a day if I go on there. But think about that all adding up. So, I don't know. Go on Instagram Live, Facebook Live, go on Twitter, Periscope, whatever. Just put yourself out there. Like, I mean, you already are essentially putting yourself out there. Because for me, the only reason I'm like, ooh, like putting myself out there is because there's creepy people in the world, right? After I found out how you can look up names on Google, I said, oh, I'm already out there. So here I am. Hi creeps. No, but for real, you have to be safe, but put yourself out there. Like, tell people to support you, because you know random people are going to be looking at you on YouTube anyway, so that's not something you should be afraid of. You should not be afraid of being judged. You should not be afraid of random people watching you, because that's what people do on YouTube. My last tip for you all, as I've said so many times in this video, is just be genuine. Just be genuine. So give people the same support that you would like in return. That's it. Some things that I've discovered so far being a small YouTuber is there are a lot of non-genuine supporters. Like, there's people who do not respond to me after I subscribe to their channel. They unsubscribe to me. They're just not real. They just are there for the subscribers. They don't go back and watch my videos or like my videos or anything like that. They don't follow me on social media. They're not really supporting me. They're just a number on my page, which is not helpful. Like, no. That's not what we're going for here. You know what I mean? I have genuine goals. I want my supporters to be genuine. I want them to watch my videos. I want them to like me. If you don't like me, if you don't like my content, you're wasting our time. You know what I'm saying? I want a family. Like, I'm here for y'all. Y'all here for me. Like, this is what we doing. So if that's not what y'all on, and if that's not what people are on, and that's not what you're on, like, something's wrong. So when people are unsubscribing, not being genuine, bump that. You know, there will be a lot of times where these people, they will unsubscribe to your channel and they are only there for themselves, only there for the benefit in themselves. But don't get worked up over that. It's so common. Do you know, a lot of people lose, you know, subscribers a day, especially like bigger channels. So losing a few subscribers or a couple subscribers a day is nothing to fret about. When I first lost my subscribers, I was like,
they ask you how you are,
like, oh my gosh, like, why did they? But then, you know, after a while, I just kind of got used to it. So don't be discouraged by that at all. The most important tip I would say is, like I said, reciprocate the energy that you want If you want people to watch your videos all the way through, you want them to like, you want them to share, you want them to do it. It's as simple as that, okay? Okay, I hope that these tips were helpful because that is the end of this video. So if you guys enjoyed this, you can let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, clicking the subscribe button down below, commenting any genuine feedback, video suggestions that you guys would want to see, interacting with me, telling me your social media, I'll follow you guys, anything like that. And yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!